Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty crazy day, and not crazy in the sense of the thing was volatile and all over the place, but really just how tight the range all of a sudden became. I mean, before today, it was just big ranges. Then today, very, very tight range in there. And this is bringing about a lot of levels that many people will be watching moving forward on Friday. Remember, the markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving. And I emphasize a lot of people, and there's many people going to be watching these areas, because when lots of people are watching the same levels and are wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with these areas. So the first level here that myself and I'm sure lots of other traders are going to be watching, right down here around $62.75. I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see $62.75 support, and then this morning support, and then later on never quite hit it, but it definitely got, or again right there, never quite got it. But point here being, a lot of eyeballs are going to be watching that level, and there's nothing guaranteed, but my core premise here is that it's more than valid, it's a more than plausible thought to have that if the price were to come down on that level and then break down through it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's certainly going to be a very important level of support to watch. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, so the breakout level that, every breakout player, their brother's uncle is going to be watching, is down here at $66.85. So 66 is going to be an important area. Again, same logic, nothing's guaranteed, but it's certainly more than plausible to think that if the price were to work its way up here and then get a break up through there, that break could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So we'll see what happens with this one moving forward. But yeah, definitely a very tight range, but we'll see if the price decides it wants to break the range on Friday or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.